In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent. Respected brothers and sisters, today I want to talk about a very important topic: education. Education is not just a process of going to school or getting a degree. Education is light. Education is guidance. Education is the foundation upon which strong nations and strong characters are built. Allah Almighty has blessed human beings with the gift of knowledge, and this is what makes us different from many other creations. The very first word revealed in the Holy Quran was Iqra, read. This shows us that Islam begins with learning, understanding, and seeking knowledge. When a person is educated, his mind becomes open, his thinking becomes clear, and his life gains direction. Education does not only mean science, math, or language. True education also includes mannered, honesty, patience, and responsibility. A truly educated person uses his knowledge for good. We must remember that learning is not limited to a certain age. From childhood to old age, a believer continues to learn. Our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, encouraged seeking knowledge and honored those who learn and teach. So, my dear brothers and sisters, never waste your time, value your education, respect your teachers. Work hard with sincerity and discipline, because today's effort will become tomorrow's success. In conclusion, education is not just a need, it is a response of individuals, it builds families, and it builds nations.